Try to solve it yourself. So we are given this fx and gx, and we need to draw f of g of fx. We can't draw it from nothing, so let's try to draw g of fx. We can't draw it without knowing anything, so let's try to express it like this. Let's try to express fx like this. When x goes from 0 to 2, y will go from -1 to 1. fx will be moving like this. And when x is moving from -1 to 0, y will be moving 1 to 0. And x moving 0 to 1, y will be moving 0 to 1. So g of x will be moving like this. And when g of fx, we need to think of it, x goes from 0 to 2, y goes to -1 to 1. And that y will become the x. So it will be meaning that x will go from -1 to 1. So from fx to gx, it will be shown like this. And the result will be y will be going from 1 to 0 to 1. So this means that the g of fx is showing that when x goes from 0 to 2, y will be going 1 to 0 to 1. So let's try to use this method and try to solve f of g of fx. We know that g of fx, when x moves from 0 to 2, y will be moving 1 to 0 to 1. And this y moving 1 to 0 to 1 will become x moving 1 to 0 to 1, and that will be put into fx. When that is put into fx's result y will be shown like this, moving from 0 to -1 and coming back to 0. So this f of g of fx is showing that when x is going from 0 to 2, y is going 0 to -1 to 0. So if we draw this, it will be drawn like this.